All right, those are just my extra big Cheez-Its on my pizza pan. All right, this is gonna be the ultimate game day snack. We have some pizza squeeze, and we're gonna squeeze a little bit of pizza sauce, just like a little dollop on each Cheez-Its. That one got a little bit too much, so I gotta be careful. You can use whatever pizza sauce you like. You can even make a homemade pizza sauce. We are just making something super delicious, super fun, and bite-sized for this baseball season. So we're just gonna quickly get our sauce on each Cheez-It. All right, get these last three in the middle. Beautiful. Now I'm coming in with, you guessed it, mozzarella cheese. I'm using the shredded, and we are going to add a good amount of cheese on each of our Cheez-Its. Now I'm using mozzarella, but you can use whatever cheese you like, and we are gonna use up this whole entire bag for this size of pan, and we only needed 1 box of those extra large Cheez-Its. Now, if you don't like Cheez-Its, you can use a Ritz cracker or a saltine, but I really think that these Cheez-Its are gonna make this a game changer. So let's quickly get our cheese on top of each of our little Cheez-Its. All right, we're running low on cheese, but good thing we're almost done. Gotta get those last few bits, but these are looking so good. Oh my goodness, right? We could probably steal some cheese from those outer ones that got a lot of cheese. Perfect. Now to add some extra flavor, I'm just gonna sprinkle on my Italian seasoning. This is optional, but I feel like it really makes a difference. So we're just gonna do a sprinkle on the entire pan. Oh yeah, and we do this before our toppings. Want it on the cheese. Now for my toppings, I'm keeping it classic with some mini pepperonis. We could add some olives, some mushrooms. You could add whatever pizza topping you like. And I think I'm gonna put 2 little mini pepperonis per Cheez-It. You could also just keep them plain and simple as cheese. You could do them veggie. The options are endless for this delicious game day recipe. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to pop these in the oven so we can enjoy our mini Cheez-It pizzas. Yep, you heard that right. That's what we're making. And I know that sounds a little insane, but this is about to blow your mind. So let's go ahead and get our pepperonis on there. All right, we're finishing off the last 3 in the middle with our mini pepperonis, and this is ready. Oh, all right, my oven is set to 375, and this is gonna be in there for only like 15 minutes. It's super quick. Took these out and we let them chill for a little bit, but these are ready to try. Just gonna pick up our little Cheez-It pizza. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna start with one, because once I start, can't stop. Oh my goodness. Wow. Those are incredible. You have to try them.